Octopuses are remarkable creatures of the sea, known for their unique physical characteristics and intelligence. They have a soft, flexible body with no bones, instead relying on a network of muscles that allow them to change shape and size. This incredible ability to change form is not just for show. It helps them camouflage themselves among rocks and coral, making them nearly invisible to predators. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Their brilliant minds are also impressive. They can solve mazes, use tools, and even recognize individual humans. These cephalopods are also excellent escape artists. They can squeeze through the smallest openings, and some species can even change the color and texture of their skin to mimic the environment around them. Octopuses have blue blood, which is copper-based instead of iron-based like human blood. This gives it a dark color and helps them withstand the cold temperatures of the deep sea. Their arms are covered in tiny suction cups that help them grip onto surfaces. They can even taste with the tips of their arms, using the tiny taste buds scattered throughout. Octopuses are prolific breeders, with females laying tens of thousands of eggs at a time. However, they do not take care of their young, and the eggs hatch after several months. Despite their fascinating abilities, octopuses live relatively short lives, usually only a few years in the wild. In captivity, they can live up to 5 years. Octopuses have captivated humans for centuries, and continue to fascinate us with their intelligence, adaptability, and unique physical characteristics. Their mysterious and enigmatic nature makes them one of the most intriguing creatures in the ocean.